Hi class. Let's explore the topic of classification aims and principles step by step. Classification aims and principles. Introduction. In the vast tapestry of life on Earth, there exists an incredible diversity of organisms. Biologists have identified over 1.5 million types of animals and more than 0.5 million types of plants. Yet this is just a small fraction of the total estimated diversity on our planet. These organisms range from tiny, simple bacteria to large and complex creatures like humans. They inhabit various environments, from the depths of the oceans to the highest mountains. Each of them has its own unique way of life, including obtaining food, adapting to their surroundings, finding shelter, and reproducing. With such an immense array of life forms, studying each one individually becomes a daunting task. Aims of classification. The field of taxonomy and systematics. Biological classification falls under two main branches, taxonomy and systematics. Taxonomy focuses on classifying organisms based on their similarities and differences, while systematics goes a step further by tracing the evolutionary history of these organisms. Aims of taxonomy and systematics. 1. Determining similarities and differences. The primary goal of both taxonomy and systematics is to understand the similarities and differences among organisms. This classification helps scientists study and organize life forms more effectively. 2. Exploring evolutionary relationships. These branches aim to uncover the evolutionary connections between different organisms. By examining their shared characteristics and evolutionary history, scientists can piece together the tree of life. Basis of classification. Classification based on similarities. The foundation of classification lies in the relationships among organisms, which are established through similarities in their characteristics. These similarities indicate that all organisms share a common ancestry at some point in their evolutionary history. Degrees of relatedness. Not all organisms are equally related. For instance, sparrows are more closely related to pigeons than to insects. This means that sparrows and pigeons share a more recent, common evolutionary history. When biologists classify organisms into groups and subgroups, they identify similarities in both external and internal structures and developmental stages. Additionally, modern genetics provides valuable information to taxonomists. By comparing the DNA of two organisms, scientists can gain insights into their structural and functional similarities and differences. Taxonomic hierarchy. Hierarchical classification. Organisms are classified into groups known as taxonomic categories or taxa, singular, taxon. These taxa are organized into a hierarchical structure, called the taxonomic hierarchy. All organisms are first divided into 5 kingdoms, representing the largest taxonomic category. Each kingdom is further divided into smaller taxa based on similarities. The taxonomic hierarchy: kingdom, phylum, division for plants and fungi, class, order, family, genus, species. Each level of the hierarchy represents a different level of relatedness. For example, members of the same species are most closely related, while members of different genera are less closely related. Conclusion. In summary, classification, as practiced in taxonomy and systematics, plays a crucial role in understanding and organizing the immense diversity of life on Earth. By determining similarities and differences and exploring evolutionary relationships among organisms, scientists can unravel the intricate web of life and gain insights into the history of life on our planet. Thank you for your attention and participation. Your curiosity and engagement make learning an enriching experience. Have a wonderful day.